Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Toyota Camry Hybrid, stock reference number 5653. The shape runs from the 12th month 2009 through to the 11th month 2011. It has a 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, hybrid inverter, right headlight, radiator grille, right fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left headlight, left fog light, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, bonnet has no damage, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has no damage, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heating controls, aftermarket Pioneer media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.